MotorWeek is made possible by TireRack.com, RockAuto.com, and State Farm.
Time to say goodbye to our long-term 2019 Volkswagen Jetta R-Line sedan. Yes, we agree, our drive time with it went by quickly. In 3 months, we managed a little over 5,000 miles, while the pint-size 1.4-liter Turbo 4 delivered 36.4 miles per gallon, and more than a few smiles along the way. The R-Line is not the sportiest Jetta, nor is it the most luxurious, but it's a great middle ground, offering enough of both to keep us comfortable and entertained. Safe, too, with a comprehensive list of standard safety features, including blind spot monitoring. We loved the interior layout, as well as the tasty R-Line touches throughout the cabin, and found using the composition multimedia interface quite intuitive. The picky audiophiles among our staff, however, would certainly appreciate an upgrade of its basic 4-speaker audio system, a small complaint for this very enjoyable and affordable sports sedan.